Hey guys, it's Melissa here, and today I'm going to show you how I apply my Myfirstwig's curly headband wig. So if you guys want to see that, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. And guys, what I like to do is use my Arcani Coil Care Edge Control. I'll leave the link in the description box to lay my edges. Sometimes I like to use the Extreme, what I just showed you, the Extreme Gel, and I use my toothbrush to get them swooped down. And then I use my scarf to set them. This method will have your edges laid down, and you will see that in the next clip. Okay, and I'm going to wet the wig, and I applied the Aussie Moist 3-minute as you guys saw. And I'm going to secure my combs on this wig to my hair. There's one in the front, as I will show you, and there's two on the sides, and then I will secure the one in the back. Now the combs are good to secure it down so it does not go nowhere. It also has the headband that straps in the back, but I advise to use the combs as well because yeah, and then it has the adjustable straps as well to make it fit your head. So as you see here, I'm putting the comb in the back, and then I like to put my hair up to tie the headband wig, well, strap the headband in the back. And guys, since I have a small head, I like to secure the strap with the bobby pin just so it stays, because I have to put it on the very last piece of the Velcro in the back. Yeah, small head problems. Okay, and I'm just going to make sure everything is in place. You like to position the wig how you want it. Make sure the curls lay a certain way. Guys, I love these curls. They are poppin'. And I'm going to apply a headband. The headband just gives it a better realistic look and gives it a little bit more style. And guys, I just wanted to use the Bonner Brothers foam, hair foam. It's actually wrapping lotion, but it sets any kind of curl really nice. So I'm going to apply some of this and twist my hair up. And once I let this sit for a while, I will again let it dry a little bit and take it out, and you'll see how it is in the next clip. So guys, my hair is still fairly wet right now. It will dry, and the curls will most likely dry this way. I ended up doing another clip on how it looks dry, so that is coming up. Just wait and see. And guys, voila! Oh my gosh, I love these curls. Now my hair is completely dry in this clip. Okay guys, I wanted to put it in there and so I can show you guys how it looks. And I'm just gonna do a couple of styles for you guys. Ponytail, I mean, this wig is way easier than the straight one to put it up in a ponytail. I'm gonna try to show you a couple of styles coming up. And as you can see guys, these curls are not going anywhere. They are staying in place, whether I have it up, style, down, side. These curls aren't going nowhere. This wig is amazing. And one of the keys into blending this wig is making sure those edges are looking right. And this wig will blend with whatever style you do. See? Okay guys, and as I get this wig back looking how I want it to look with them curls, thank you for watching. That is the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please watch my other videos, and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, it's Melissa here, and today I am doing a